watch my last video. Did not watch. There is not problem because because previous video have no voice. Now let's start analytics. I think there is some network issue. We just wait few seconds. Mhm. Network issue. There is some because I upload this video. Mhm. I will check only some touch point. How much how how much time market comes this level and goes up. That's the reason I need some more time. Yep, I think network is not working. We need just move on 15 minutes. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. Right, there is some network issue. Jingle belwa, jingle belwa, dojila. Why are showing network issue? That is very big problem, big problem, big problem, big problem for us. In the morning when market is no, in the morning when internet is not working proper way, this is big concern for us. Okay, I think it's working fine. Yeah. Okay, let's check it. How much time market come this level? Oh, almost one, two, three, four. Okay. There is highest chance this time market goes down. Shoot. This level is just for concern. What about is going up? Uh, there is we have two options in this same condition. We have to need time. We sell this market over there. Minimum this point. When market shows some respect for us and showing some pattern because it's Tuesday, then I will continue it. Okay, because it falls very fast in the morning. This is very good condition. Can could buy there. How much risk? No, I did not buy because market is downtrend or I have already a plan. That's the reason. You just wait and watch. We need some more time. I think you buy it, but where? This is good. When it's come this level again, I will buy because I want some small risk. I'm not taking big risk. Jingle, 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 jingle. Come to down market. Why are you going to straight? This is good, good. Almost come this level again. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, 1823 stop loss होगा only 3 points. Wow, this is best. 1823 buying 18 sorry 18 hello 1819. I check 4 points. Uh, just calculate 12 5 43 45 1845 1 ratio 3 and it's 20. Cool. No, sorry, this is limit order. Go. Oh my god. Calculate. Oh, this is good. Very small. Oh my god. Can you take to this point? No, I want this point. Sorry, I want this point. I already said that. This is my top loss. Uh, I wanted to wrong trade. This is very bad. You just wait and watch. I think they continue around seven. You hit the your stop loss, bro. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now I'm ready to sell. This is funny because I already know what's going on in the market. Okay, now I'm ready to sell this time. You already confirmed that this level is confirmed. No, I'm selling there. But market is on the sideways. Not a sideways. I'm saying there. Market is already uptrend. This is good. Trade is good, but that so I just take my stop loss. There is not big deal. Okay, good trade. I will sell there. Stop loss is similar this point in market order 54, 47, 54. There is no problem. 47. This is going to sell. I already marked 54. Our target is already simple and simplest all the time 1815. 20 is our risk and they automatic calculate hours. Automatic calculate what is? I think this is wrong trade. You said it why? Because market they come and check again. Then I will go to sell. This is wrong trade. I already confirmed that this trade is wrong because they let's check when market is come this level again. Then I will go to sell. But we already know then I will not big deal for us. This is doing some most difficult part for this trade. They take stop loss and goes up because you are confidence, but buying is good. There is no issue for us. For me, can you sell again? No, I'm already hit. Okay, it's take my last time to sell this market. Okay, because this take this one. Okay, we place the order upon second order there. 1868 stop loss is similar 1878. Sell. When market is not going to my plan, we have no option to close this time. 1878. Target is similar 1840. Then you think it I'm serious right now, but I'm not serious. Just doing fun. Doing fun is the right. What the hell is this? Really? Really? You see almost $1, $2. Yeah, Next time you're going to trade, you check right levels. This is good level, but I already said that market is not always good. As usual, we have a plan. This is good. When we have a or another plan, okay, look on the market. When model is not executed, when my order is replaced by two, what the heck? The internet is not working properly. Mhm. 1:1, 1:1.5. Gosh! This type of market. Okay. What the fuck? I have some cold. You really think it goes up? I'm working on 15 minutes time frame. You take this trade at 12 p.m. Yeah, this is according to my plan. 1:2 is done. Somebody said that you have need. It's almost no pledge, don't return, pledge, don't return, pledge. This is fun for us. As usual, according to my plan. This trade is very good. We have calculated risk, calculated store. Or it's take only 3 to 4 hours. Yeah. Can you sell again? Yeah. What this level? Why are you selling every turn? I think this level is weak because market comes almost 5 to 6 times. And there is some reason they goes down. It's come third time, or there is a high value chance the market goes up. But it's depend on market structure. You just wait and watch what is market is saying right now. Yeah, I think market goes down. I believe market goes down. What the fuck is Thursday? My parents are coming. Hmm. Wait a second. Hold a second. I'm coming. Ah, not a problem. Okay, what should we do? Can I sell the market right there? There is high value chance, but market goes up. You said that you are supposed to sell, but we have no confidence this trade. Okay, okay, I'm going to sell this level. No, this level. Right. 183744. 1837 18. हाँ. ओके. हाँ, जा रहा हूँ. Okay, I goes up. Okay, wait a minute. What time? I think this is very risky trades, according to my experience. When you take trade this type, you have more chance to I lose. This is true. Okay. Now let's continue. This is my fourth trade into the fourth. Yeah, this is my fourth trade. And this is very high risky trade. I'm really concerned at that trade. Because when we take this type of trade, this is not helpful for us. You need to take this type of trades only when market is there, data flows are there. This is goes very good according to my plan. Once one is done, well, this type of trades very risky. We need to that much stop loss because we don't take high risk. This is my theory. Mhm. We lose, but we don't lose the over the high take risk. Mhm. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? And issue two is done, but it's a very slowly boss. Some mhm. I think it's fake stop loss. Just according to my plan. Okay.